Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your VIVO X300 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and check the volume levels in the settings. So what are we going to do is we're going to go to the settings, and now we're going to simply open up the sounds and vibration. Now after opening sounds and vibration, we have media, ringtone, notifications, and alarm. Here, what we want to check is we want to go over and check the media volume. This is the most important one because media volume is for our music, videos, games, and of course the calls volume that you cannot change in the settings. You need to go over and call up somebody to actually increase it by pressing the volume up button. And now what you guys want to do next, after increasing the volume or checking it, make sure to clean your speaker grill with a soft brush. So as you guys can see, here we have a little speaker grill. Here we also have one at the bottom. And what are we going to use in order to clean it is simply a soft brush. So we got it right here. Now we can go over and try and get everything out. And we can also just make that. Now we can do the same for the ones at the top, and it will be way better without a case, but you can still get inside them and clean them. So after we clean them, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and make sure that Bluetooth is not enabled. So we want to make sure that it's disabled and that there's no other devices that are being rerouted. So let's go over and open Bluetooth in the settings. Now we have the Bluetooth right here, and as you guys can see, for me it is disabled, but if you do see other devices that are available, make sure to disable the Bluetooth itself. And now since the Bluetooth is disabled, what are we going to do is we're going to restart the phone. So let's press the power button, volume up button at the same time until you see this pop up. Now let's go over and swipe to the right to restart the device. We're gonna swipe right here, and now we see the logo. It is turning back on, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now, once the restart is done, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and update our software to fix any speaker issues. So let's swipe up, go to the settings, and here scroll all the way down until you see system update. As you guys can see, I am on the latest version of our original OS, but if you're not, then I recommend you updating. This is very important to keep up with the latest version so you don't have any old glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.